Alibre Atom 3D is the tool you need to bring your ideas to life. You can design just about anything in Alibre Atom 3D, including woodworking projects, robots, scale models, structures, toys, art, and more. Here you can see how we build up a part in a series of steps called features. One advantage of Alibre Atom 3D is that changing stuff is super easy. Just click it and type in a new value. In this case, we'll change the position of the hole and watch the pattern update. After you've made a part, you can combine it with other parts in an assembly. After setting up a few things, your assembly behaves how it would in the real world, allowing you to test lots of things like range of motion. While Alibre Atom 3D is capable of extreme precision, not everything really needs it. Here we're just going to define the height and width of a 3D printed vase we're making, and then we'll eyeball the decorative details. We can sketch some circles that will eventually become holes, and then we'll make a pattern to form an interesting shape. Now we'll add the finishing touch by smoothing out the edges with a fillet. Your creativity, combined with how easy it is to make simple or complex shapes, means unlimited potential for your projects, and you can make changes at any time. When your projects get more complex, you'll love the ability to make section views so you can see how your internal parts come together. This is super important when you need to make sure that you don't have overlapping parts, and Alibre Atom 3D has a special tool for this called interference detection, which analyzes the design and shows you where the overlaps are so you can fix them. Spend a little time now in software and save a lot of time later on the shop floor. Now that you've got the basics, let's see it in action. All parts share a similar workflow. You start with a 2D sketch. Those are the red lines with squares and circles and other shapes that you see. And then you create a 3D feature from that sketch. You'll keep adding and removing material until your part's the right shape, and along the way, you're always adding dimensions to make sure everything's the right size. Now onto the fun part. If you're going to build something yourself, especially out of wood, it's likely that you'll create a 2D drawing. Getting the 3D model into the 2D drawing is an automatic process. Then you add dimensions or change the layout as you like to make your trip to the hardware store super easy. Even create exploded views for an easier assembly later. Maybe you're the kind of person that loves to make small wood projects, or perhaps you're more into making shelves so you can store all your 3D printed artwork. Maybe you're making a crazy invention with your CNC machine, or cutting some gifts with your new laser cutter. Or with some luck, you're going to the finals in your school's robotics competition. Regardless of what your project is and how you want to make it, Alibre Atom 3D is your starting point.